guys, Cards Across Texas here today, and today you join all of us, the whole family out here at Rudy's Barbecue for the Speed Advocates car meet. This is, I think, the first one of the year, and they always bring out some really cool stuff. Lots of classics and lots of different stuff that you usually don't see in a lot of the videos. So I hope you boys enjoyed today's video. Remember, if you're looking for a vehicle, if you're looking for a new car, remember to DM me or email me. I'll put them both on screen here, and let's get you rolling into the new year in style. And on that note, let's get on to the show. Not something I usually show a bunch of love to, but this little Civic hatch is like stupid clean. All right, boys, I don't care what anyone says. One of the bucket list dream supercars is a 5-liter, basically, I guess, a Gen 1 Gallardo Superleggera. That's so sick. I love these cars. I think the 5-liter sounds better than the 5.2 as well. Sounds a little more like an F1 car, but that is pretty sweet there. And then we got what looks to be like a Malibu here with an LSA under the hood. Look at that. There you go. I do like the little touch of the old school Chevy writing on the heads or the valve covers there. You got the LSA supercharger under the hood. That looks nice. Got the old school yellow truck here looking good. And continuing down the line, we got a little Cobra replica looking good. And then the C4. We got the purple little coupe here looking good. Got the, I guess, side vent things popped, revealing some work under here. Lots of stuff going on. Nice purple coat on the outside. Oh, we've got a CTSV looking good. Hood pop looks fairly stock under there with a rotofab intake. We got the yellow old school Mustang. Then a favorite out here at these meets, we got a Ford Fairlane wagon with a twin turbo V8 under the hood. There we go. And of course, we got a Mercury here looking good. He's been in plenty of other Speed Advocates videos out here, but you gotta show a little bit of love to a super clean classic like this. And over here, LC500, little Porsche here, 996, and a couple really clean Fox bodies. 1, 2. We gotta take a car break for the first puppy of the year. Hello, my friend.
Say hi.
Hello. There we go. There's the doggy.
You don't want to pay attention.
Looks like a little boosted S650 over here, I think. Oh yeah, I didn't even notice that. It's kind of dark, so the shadow was making it unreally noticeable, but we got a P1X Pro charger under the hood of this S650. Very nice.
Oh man.
We got a old Bronco rolling on through. It's super clean. The OG. The OG Bronco. There we go. Then over here we got those Fox bodies. These guys both got some work under the hood. The red one got a nice little single turbo there, it seems. And then this one got a little Vortec under the hood. It also appears. Then you got a supercharged SN95 Cobra convertible. Here comes some boys chopping it up, chopping up a storm. We got the homie here in the red F body. Sounding good. And then you got this guy. I'm blanking on the car name here, boys. I'm sorry. But that car is fast and he does all the race week stuff. Very cool. We got a real nice Super rolling in. Make a little bit of noise. Sounded real good, real nice. Very clean. Very well done. We got this guy. He started up and he scared Melody. Good little ride, man. There you go, that thing's sweet. Most ridiculous sounding cam I've ever heard in my life. Look at those wheels, they got like flames on the wheels. Those are crazy. So from a distance, from a quick glance, you might look at this thing and think it's all show, no go. Big wheels, nice paint, the whole 9, 4 doors, big body, square body Chevy. But then you kind of get a little telltale when you look a little bit lower. You can see that intercooler there. But then, the dead giveaway that this boy scoots and boogies. There you go. Got the spot for a fender exit. Thing is sick. And we got the Daytona Coupe Shelby replica with the Coyote motor under the hood. Thing is driven a ton. Super nice Pontiac rolling on up. Looking good. Super clean. Another nice F body. I love F bodies. This one's sounding good. Nice little yellow C6 Z06. Gotta love that. And then we got a boosted 6th gen. Going for a little bit more of a sleeper look on these C7 ZR1 style wheels. You can definitely boost it though. We got a super nice Huracan on some big money ADV1s. Nut money. That boy going to the sperm bank too much. We got a fast looking Supra. There you go. Good nice boosted Fox body started up. There we go. We got a super duper nice yellow drop top Terminator over here looking good. Gotta love that, that's super clean. And then we got this thing, the diesel Mercedes, the unkillable vehicle. I've heard these things will last forever and a half. Got that diesel hood stack and everything. This thing is absolutely wild. Here comes that turbo Fox body. We do have a very nice Bel Air over here. Classic color combo, red on the white. And we got a little Death Trap over here. All blacked out, looking super gangster. Then over here, got a couple of really nice C6 Z06s. We got an all black murdered out down to the socks one behind him over there. Looking a nice yellow C6 Z06. Looking very good. Got the Mach 1 parking up, looking good. I'm pretty sure I've said it before, but these handling package wheels in the Mach 1 are some of my favorite factory wheels out there. I think it's just the right amount of detail without looking too busy. Look at those things. And then behind the Mach 1, it does seem we have a super clean little Chevy SS rolling on up in a nice blue color. I like to see that. Sounding pretty good. Little cam in here. There we go. And you got the old school VW behind all of them. Incredible. Another CTSV. This might have been the one that was up front. Matte gray looking good. That matte gray or is that matte blue? I can't tell. I don't know. Got a nice big body Buick rolling on through as well. Little Skylark. Got an old looking little S10 thing. Absolutely slammed to the floor. Dropped all the way down. This thing is wild. Lots of custom fab work. Thing is crazy. And we got a absolutely beautiful old school Mustang here in a very nice color. It's like a deep sea kind of emerald. I like it. Nice little black and red S650. That's quite sharp looking. And we got a new special edition. I think this is like a 60th anniversary or something. I actually don't really remember, but you got the special wheels and everything looking good. And then another handling package Mach 1. Nice little Chevy SS and white on the bronze wheels. We'd like to see that. Then we got like the 5.9 Cummins single cab. Some nice wheels. Hell yeah, brother. So we got a wingless Type R is what it looks like here. Full kit, but it doesn't have the big wing out back. Got the Type R seats inside. We do got a center mounted hood stack. That's kind of crazy looking there, brother. We got the boosted 6th gen, the yellow C6 Z06 over there looking good. We got a matte black murdered out wide body Scat Pack here, slammed to the floor on the air suspension. Looking quite gangster actually. And then over here we got the boy Jason on the Bellic beadlocks here. He rolled in, always sounding super crazy with the high ram and the big old cam and all that stuff. Behind our friends here in the black C6 and the red C6, we got an absolutely insane looking Hellcat on a beadlock. You got the gap cam out back. This hood is crazy. He's got like a wild carbon fiber cowl hood on this thing. But there you go. I bet this thing scoots and boogies. Got like a lifted off-road type Porsche here. Looking good. I think a lot of people underestimate the off-road capabilities of these. And then we got a GTI on a tire next to a pretty clean C8. We got the big wheel box Chevy rolling out real quick. Oh, he's just moving a little closer. Yeah, so this thing is rowdy. I like the different stuff, man. Once you've been going to every car show for like 10 years straight and seeing everything Houston has to offer, when something new, something unique pulls up to a car meet, you appreciate it. And this is definitely something unique and something different. This fifth gen sounded good too. There we go. Got a really cool and unique spec C8 Z06 here. I like he just kind of did like a really wide silver stripe, put the black pinstripes on either side and the red all the way down to separate it. Kind of a cool take on a racing stripe. This thing looks good. He got the right options on with the carbon aero package and everything. I think it's sharp. All the Honda boys got their hoods popped, showing off the VTEC. Hell yeah, brother. I actually really like this little hatch though. This thing is so clean actually. And last but not least, here you go. Got some supercharged goodies rolling on by. We got the SN95 Cobra drop top with the, maybe it's a Vortec on it, I think. I like these wheels a lot too. Very clean. Very clean, very nice. We can. We got a Pro-Charged S650 rolling on out. I like it. Hell yeah, brother. I heard him too. Got that Terminator drop top rolling out as well. Looking good on the HREs. Big money, brother. Nice little RCSB old school Silverado rolling out, chopping up a storm. Sounding good, brother. And you got a turbo Ford wagon. We got that Mama Luna cut rolling on up. Little slam single cab Chevy on the big wheels, on the air suspension, on the Forgiato. Dang, brother. That boy got that money. Oh, damn, look at that fab work back there. Nice. Nice classic Mustang rolling on out with the vinyl top, looking good. Got a little Chaser rolling on up, looking good. There you go. Right-hand drive. Little, what is this? Is it a Chaser? No, I don't even know what this is. Sorry, JDM friends. I don't know JDM cars. Nice little C8 rolling out. I didn't really get him back there, but he had all the doors going up and out and all over the place type stuff. And we got a pretty sweet old school Chevy truck rolling on it, sounding absolutely insane. Got the Bel Air rolling out, looking good. Got the Cobra rolling out, looking good. We got the Mad Max man rolling out. Got a couple cool things rolling out, like this guy here. Race Week competitor. And the Nut Money Huracan's going that way. I guess the license plate on that Huracan is up for interpretation.
Hey, dude, it was so packed. Bonus clip.
All right, well, never mind. We got a little turbo Porsche rolling in with like a crazy burble tune. Downshifted and just flames galore. Crazy. Got a couple guys rolling out here before we go. Little Mach 1 and the Chevy SS. boys, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. There was a lot of really sick builds out here. Let me know what your favorite car was down in the comments below. And remember, I sell cars at Parkway Chevrolet. Let's put a dream in your driveway. Let's get you rolling into the new year right. And on that note, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.